In today's video, you're with me again making some t-shirt and hoodies. It's some dog hoodies, dog t-shirt, and human t-shirt we're gonna be making today. So stick around and make some shirts with me coming up. Welcome back to the Flex McKenzie channel. Yeah. It's your boy Flex McKenzie. And like I said, today you're gonna stick around. If you want, you better, or else, and make some t-shirt and hoodies with me. But it's gonna be dog t-shirt and dog hoodies and some human t-shirts. Like I said, the way I make my money is not by bulk. I have a website and I have an Etsy site too. So this is my, so I have to go to, these are, look at this, these are all dogs. These are all dogs hoodies and t-shirts that I'm gonna be printing today. Look at this, guys. Look how many I have to print today. I have large, extra large, small, you know. Actually it's for dogs and cats, but I hope they send me a picture of what they look like wearing these hoodies and t-shirts. So, you know what? And these are my invoice. Like I said, these are invoice. I'm going to be using my heat press today, not the Cricut, because I don't know why. I just want to use my heat press today. And I'm going to be using the B-FLEX vinyl, because that's one of my favorite, until it gets on my nerve. No, I'm going to be using the B-FLEX vinyl today. So, you know what? I still have some cedar vinyl. I'm going to use it because I love them too. They're great. They've been with me from the start. But the reason why I started using the B-FLEX, since it cut down from 15 seconds to 4 seconds, that's the reason why I'm using it too. But the cedar, like sister, cedar vinyl is really good too, guys. I'm telling you. Both is really good. It's just that one is less time, you know, less time, less heat. So that's what I like. But I have some cedar vinyl I might use today too. So anyway, let's get into making some t-shirt right now. Okay, so now it's time for me to press all the hoodies, the dog hoodies, and the t-shirt. But I still haven't gotten B-FLEX black vinyl in, so I'm gonna be using the cedar weed vinyl. And I love using the cedar weed vinyl too, but the only issue I don't like about it is putting it on the mat. You know, the Cameo 3 mat. It's a headache. The B-FLEX vinyl is the easiest to put on it. You know, it's just easy because it's a little bit thicker. The cedar vinyl is a little bit thinner, so you know, it's like wobbling all over the place. But anyway, so my heat press is warming up, so let's jump into the pressing. Okay, here's the problem. I just experienced where I pressed the B-FLEX and for some reason, I gave it the correct time and everything. For some reason, it was lifting up. You know, it was peeling up, so I had to press it like 3 times just to get that B-FLEX to stay down. I guess, I don't know. I was using this for a while, for the B-FLEX, and what happened was I didn't use the white for like a month. No, I went back to use the white, and for some reason, I have to press it 3 times for the B-FLEX to stay down. I never had this problem, but I'm gonna try it one more time. I'm gonna let you guys see. I cut the other one, but I'm gonna let you guys see this. All right, so far this one looks pretty good, but I'm still gonna give it another press just to make sure. I'm just gonna cover it to protect the garment so I don't ruin it. So I'm pressing it again just to make sure. Okay, so I'm all done pressing, but I ran into some problem with the B-FLEX vinyl, the B-FLEX Gimme5. I ran into some problem with it. I tried to press the white on some hoodie, some dog hoodie. For some reason, it was peeling up, so I have to press it like 3 times to keep it done. I haven't really used that vinyl for about a month, the white one, because I still had cedar vinyl and I was using that vinyl, so I started using the B-FLEX again, but I was using the black and I didn't really have a problem with the black, but the white was lifting up, so I have to press all my hoodies, my dog hoodies, for extra time. So I have to press it, peel it, press it to keep the vinyl down. Why, B-FLEX? I broke up with Cedar just for you. I cheated on her just to be with you, and now you disappoint me. Now I'm gonna have to go back to the cedar vinyl. I have to go back to my ex. It's all your fault, B-FLEX. I broke up with her for you, B-FLEX. And now I have to run back to my ex and tell her I'm sorry. I apologize. I didn't mean to break up with her. All because you disappoint me. Cedar vinyl never disappoint me. The only thing that I don't like with it just don't lay down easily on the mat for me. But that's not a problem. I could work with that. But I left her because the B-FLEX was less time and less temperature. Now I have to go back and beg. Anyway, that's all I got for you today. And I was ordering, I put in an order to order more B-FLEX. I don't know what I'm gonna do. But Cedar, you never disappoint me. And I've been using you for like over 3 years and you never disappoint me. But the B-FLEX you did. But I love you still. But I might have to go back to my ex and apologize, which is the Cedar vinyl. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification button. And now that the video is over, make sure you smash that like button for me. Share this video and drop me a comment. And don't forget, check down below in the description. I have a lot of stuff that I use to film my video. My 2 cameras, my mic, my ring light, my whatever light. They all down in the description. You know, and vinyls and whatever. I also put the link down there for the cutter that I was cutting those vinyls. So, thank you again. And as always, your boy Flex, I'm gonna catch you on my next video. I'm out.